Whoopi cracks unintentional joke. Lindsey is on his knees for the Donald. Whoopi Goldberg is not shy about her feelings towards South Carolina Senator Lindsey Graham, and who can blame her? On The View, she sounded off about the senators flip-flopping with Trump, especially on abortion. Despite endorsing Trump, Graham disagreed with him, asserting abortion isn't solely a state issue. Trump responded, blaming himself for Graham's success and criticizing his political career. Whoopi, addressing Graham's about-face, nearly let slip a cheeky remark about Graham's relationship with Trump on his knees before gracefully stopping and sidestepping it. Take a look.
I mean, but I was a little surprised that Lindsey Graham, who has been on his knees for... at the temple
at
of
the
this
shrine
man,
of Trump.
and did not start out that way.
Yeah.